How to fix Steam Error Code E87. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix the error code E87. As you guys can see on the screen, on the bottom right corner it says error code E87. So if you attempt to open your Steam and it shows this error code, here is how you can fix it. So the first thing that you want to do is right click on your Steam shortcut. And then once you do that, you will have an option to head over to properties. So open your properties, and here is the target option. So what you have to do here is copy this, and you can right click and copy, or you can just Control C to copy. So once you copy this, you can close this properties now. You will have to open your run dialog box, and from here you can paste it and then tap space and then /repair. Once you do that, click on OK, and it will repair any kind of bugs that is on your Steam, and it will start verification and open the app again. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then it might be some issues with your Windows, so make sure that your Windows software is up to date. And even if you do that, your problem is still not fixed, then you might want to uninstall the application and then reinstall it. And after doing that, your Steam should open normally like this. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.